This is The Best Defense. I'm Jamie Floyd. It was January 23rd, 2000. Still going to use your words against you, but you're innocent. All right, let me come over to my other guest, Rachel Kugel. I want to ask a separate question, but related, about videotaped interrogations. I'm a big proponent, if we're going to have interrogations, of videotaping or at least audio taping those of juveniles, and I would say across the board, everyone, because it does protect the system. It protects the rights of the defendant, but it also protects the officers from claims that they've done something wrong. And yet, most police forces resist this notion. They don't like it.
Yeah, I mean, I think generally the police and prosecution's position with this tends to be that videos help the defense. Across the board, whether that's police cameras in cruisers, whether that's taped interrogations, that tends to be the position. I don't know that that's entirely true, but that tends to be their position. We are certainly moving toward videotaped interrogations across the board. I think we should move toward that. As you point out, Jamie, it protects everyone involved. We've certainly seen, I believe it was the...
Hey, Rachel,
yes.
I'm interrupting you. Check out the hug.
Yeah,
Did you see the hug?
It's lovely.
Have you ever seen that before, Rachel?
I have not. I've seen a lot of things, but not a hug.
All right, I'm sorry. Finish your thought. You say we're moving in the direction of videotaping, and you think it's a good thing.
It definitely is. I mean, I believe, you know, we've had these cases. There was that Court TV movie about the interrogation.
Michael Crow.
Exactly. So, I mean, we've seen that. You know, it's been Barry Scheck's work. I mean, as Court TV is familiar with him, to push for that, and yeah. I think we're moving toward that. So we're certainly going to be seeing a lot of it here on True TV and in general.
Yeah, Barry Scheck and Peter Neufeld over at the Innocence Project, as the next sort of stage in their life's work of freeing the innocent, are pushing to avoid wrongful convictions through the videotaping of these interrogations. False confessions account for up to 25%, and some would say more, of wrongful convictions. If it's audio taped or at least videotaped, a judge can make an assessment of whether the conditions were constitutional.